This is a 1975 Kmart model K-223 20-inch box fan made by Lakewood. I got this fan from my school 2 years ago, my old middle school, Mason Middle School. This fan is in overall not really that bad a shape, even though it's ugly. The front grill is the fan's original grill, but it didn't even have a back grill when I got it, so it's got a grill from a 1988 Lakewood box fan, which it's real busted up. It's got a nice little repair over there, and it's got feet on it. So it doesn't look right on this fan, because this fan has the little plastic feet on the bottom of it. So that grill will be getting replaced. I don't know where I'm going to get another one. I'm thinking about stealing the grills off my 1984 K-223 for this fan. I'm getting ready to restore this thing now. Normally I wouldn't bother because I don't really collect portable fans as much as I used to and work on them as much as I used to. But just for the sake that this fan's been around in my collection for 2 years now, and the fact that the ones with the Westinghouse motors aren't all that common anymore, even though I know they're not really rare. They're just nowhere near as common as the ones with the Macmillan motors. And just because of how smooth of a runner it is, the cabinet is pretty much perfectly straight. It couldn't be a lot better. And for being from a school, this thing is in amazing shape actually. It runs like brand new, the bearings are absolutely perfect. And the fan actually looks really good other than the rust. And the grills being all yellowed out. But I don't know if the blades are yellowed out or not, because they're actually nice and white when they're not inside the yellowed out grills, and the yellowed out is kind of reflecting on them because the light is directly over my head. It's an 8-foot fluorescent with a bad ballast, so that's why in some of my videos you'll see flashing. That's not the camera, that's the light. But anyway, that's it for this video. So, as usual, thank you guys for watching, and I hope all you guys enjoyed.